Oh.
Is it good?
You're funny. Go ahead. Is that good stuff?
Is she actually eating some?
Oh yeah, she's getting it. She's like scraping half the kernel at a time. You want some more? No? Oh, here, let's reposition. What do you want now?